moving in, guys. We're moving in. Moving in, yes. Wala. Yan guys, mag-ano kami, ano bang tawag sa gagawin natin guys? Magchuchubing. Tubing daw kami guys. Oh, kakaibang trip to. Woo! That's the one guys, that's the one. We got it. Wow, kakaibang adventure to. Hanip. Wow. Ito yan guys, ito na, wow. Oh. Kakaibang adventure to guys. Ito na kami mga fans. Oh wow. Woohoo. Yeah boy.
Wow!
Yan, ito na kami guys. Kakaibang adventure to mga fans.
Go over that side, I'm gonna paddle over this side. Let's go swimming. Nice!
Ito pala yun.
Nice one!
Ganda pala to guys. Enjoy ka.
Father, guys! Oh wait. Oh my gosh, it's so nice.
All the way there kami guys. 2 oras pala aming bidahin ng ganito. 2 hours.
Let's see. We're stuck on a rock.
No,
Dad,
relax, relax. It will move. Relax, it will move. Don't panic. Relax.
We're not panicking. No one's panicking.
We're riding a boat.
We are
Yeah.
Move
We're
it,
riding
Dad.
a
Move it.
boat.
See, we're stuck. Move it, Dad.
Hindi,
Move it.
hindi yan.
No, it's on your butt. That's why.
Dad, move! It's on you.
Wala sa akin. Wala sa akin.
Ayan yung rock.
Wala.
Ayan no. That's why I said move it.
Be off your phones for a
They went
while.
under.
Yan na guys. Oh. Sarap ng adventure namin dito guys.
Ay, gusto ko kasi. Ba, alam mo ba, pinapaulit-ulit ko to pagkatapos natin.
Sarap dito guys. Enjoy kayo. 2 oras kayong maglalaro sa lake.
Okay pala na, worth it naman.
Stop it.
Pero be, alam,
Slow.
pero be, ang lamig
push
na
it
tubig, ano?
not towards the
We're riding a boat. Yeah. Woo-hoo.
So stopping us from going there.
They're hunting.
Stop tayo.
Ito na yung end ng floaty.
Jessica?
Jessica?
France?
France? Hi. Si Romalyn. Ay, asawa. Nice, nice. Saktong 2 oras yung ano namin adventure. Okay? Happy.